This is Mikuni Japan flat slide carburetor. I will explain everything about this carburetor. This is Mikuni carburetor Japan. We will clean this now, and we will open every part and we will clean it. It will look like this. This is the carburetor cleaner, throttle body choke and carburetor cleaner. This is the new one. You need one star screwdriver. These are the screws, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Actually, I didn't use it for so many months. See, the inside look of this is like this. This is the sealing. This is called sealing collar. All this. See, this is throughout the right round. This is the jet. This is the main jet. Underneath there is a pilot jet. And needle, everything is there. We will open it. This is the fuel inlet. This is the choke. When I tighten it, the clearance will increase. You can watch here. That is the maximum tighten. When I unscrew it, the slide will go down. Yes, it's done. When you push it from here, that is the needle, it will come out. When it comes out, this is the shaft. When you remove that, it will come out. This is the needle. It will look like this. See, lot of rust is there. It will move like this. Never apply emery paper on this area. If you apply emery paper on this area, it will go. It will be spoiled. You have to clean it with the brush gently. And this portion is also very important. See, it will go down. It is under spring action. See, inside there will be a spring, but don't try to open that. We will open the top. See, inside the spring will be like this. This is the spring. This is the top cap. And there is a sealing, packing. And the inside will be like this. And this is the flat slide. And this is the needle. And this is the locking cap. Inside of this, see. Inside also you can open. There are 2 screws. Open this one. There will be 2. One is open and another one. See, I will tell you what is the purpose of this. For placing the accelerator cable, and these two are the screws, and when you remove that, the needle will come out. This is the needle. 1, 2, 3 and 4 adjustments they have given. This is the lock for adjustment. When you keep it in the last groove, see, the petrol is coming through this. See, there is a cut portion like this. From front side it is looking round, back side it is open. The mixture of air flow will enter from this and it will go to the engine through this point. This is 34 mm flat side Mikuni Japan carburetor. You can open this also. See, there is lot of rust here. You have to take care. This is the jet. This is the jet. This is the through and through. This is the main chamber for the fuel. Here there is lot of rust. See, these are the floats, and this one. There should not be any obstruction in the floats. When the bowl fills up with the petrol, the floats will get float up. This is the sealing ring and this is the bottom cap. Through this you can change the jet also. You need not to open the whole unit. See, the movement must be like this. These are down now. When I make it down, see, they are coming top. There should not be any obstructions. Through this, see, when these comes on top, see the points here. These points, this point and this point. This is the controlling point. This is the controlling point. These floats will lift this point. When this point get lifted up, what happens? See, this is here, like this. Inside, I said inside there will be a point like this. What happens? The floats will lift and it will push that. When it pushes that, this point will go and close that chamber, close that sealing, and then there will be a cutoff of petrol to the carburetor from the fuel tank. So all these things will play major role. This one is the pilot jet. See how much dirt is coming. Let's clean the inlet also. When I am applying pressure from here, see it here through there is a chamber. Here from here I am applying here, the pressure is coming from here. You can watch. We can open this also. I said there are various chambers here. See, when I am applying pressure here, see, likewise when I apply pressure from this hole, To say is that the carburetor, when you are giving accelerator, you think that the carburetor is only serving for a particular purpose. It is not like that. The carburetor has to serve at the idling, low speed, mid speed and high speed. So all the things are happening at the twist only. That means I want to say is that lot of things are happening inside the carburetor, not only one thing. Please remember this in mind. So you can open this also. I already made it loose. This is the choke. This is the choke unit. This is the choke unit. This is the sealing, and it is spring loaded. When you pull it, see, when you pull it against the spring tension, it is moving. So this is the choke bottom point. Apply little rust lick. See, everything is, see, this is the choke point. When I apply pressure, see, through that point it is coming. I am applying here, but it is coming from here. See, with the pressure you will come to know. See, when I apply pressure, so everything is getting cleaned up. I'll open this also, as it is rusted. So it's a lot of rust. See, this lot of rust is there. See, if this much rust is there, then how we can expect the best results from the engine? Open this unit also, but not necessary. Why? Because it is not a big issue, but at present I am not opening this, because there will be a sealing here. If that get disturbed, I don't have the spare piece for that. That's what I am not disturbing this portion. See, here the screws are here provided, so I am not doing anything. You can pull up this cone, intake cone, to this, like this. There was a little bend downwards, this point, so I made it straight, and this must be exactly like this. I have some jets with me. This is the needle. This is the, I will show you this one, and these are the jets which are related to this one and this one. Remaining all are the other things. See, these are the jets. You can check the holes. See, difference. There is another jet here inside of this, as I said, as I have shown. 3, yes, 1, 2 and 3. These are the 3 jets. And see, I said this one, this is the same piece here, whereas I modified this. You can open this also. See, this point I modified. This point I modified. This will look like this. For some other purpose I modified this. I will take trials along with this also. This is the chamber, like through pipe for feeding the main jet. We can open this also. See, I opened this one. There is no threading here. It is just like a ring. If you want to remove this, suppose, but you have to take lot of care while removing this. If anything goes wrong, then it will be very difficult. There will be a guide inside of this. See, this is the groove. See, this is the groove provided. There will be a groove inside of this. You have to remove it very carefully. Yes, see, here also there is lot of scaling is there. Now everything is removed. You can check. There is a, this is the chamber, and this is the groove. I said the difference between this and this one, which I modified is, see, there is no covering here. This is having this piece, whereas this piece is not having. I removed this piece from here. We will check it later, the difference. And one more thing, I forgotten to remove the pilot jet. I will remove the pilot jet now. Below the main jet there will be a pilot jet. This is the pilot jet. Yes, this is the pilot jet. The pilot jet will look like this. I am soaking the parts. After that we will clean it and we will assemble it.